ultimately I don't understand a thing. I try to do the best I can. I know you try to do the same. We're just so bound to make mistakes. You could call it a disposition. I apologize for all your tears. I wish I could be different, but I'm still growing up into the one you can call your love. I don't know if I'll ever be enough. I'm throwing in my chips, I guess I tend to push my luck. And ultimately I believe we'll be okay. It's so cliche to say these things, but repetition is a key. I think I'm better when I'm with you, but I worry when you're gone. I think I need to learn to love myself. I must learn to be strong. So for now we'll say goodbye. Although it pains me in my heart, your words, they come to me in memories. They sing to me like songs. It won't be long until I'm here. Soon I'll make my arrival under shady trees, a quiet street, the roads that I have traveled. Ultimately it's a beautiful thing, like flowers blooming in a lonely field. The petals drift through crossing winds that find their way to river streams that scent the water beautifully. It takes me back to you, it takes me back to you.
Here it goes. I used to think about a life, one that I would live with you. I used to think about the moments and all the things that we would do. But now I've grown a little more, and I can tell what's real and fake. Oh, you've changed quite a lot. I can see why we needed to break. 'Cause I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry, I'm not that sorry. 'Cause you kinda treated me like shit. I hope you're sorry, you better be sorry. Ooh. Ba-da-da-dum-bum, ba-da-da-dum-bum, you better be sorry. Ooh. Ba-da-da-dum-bum, bum, ba-da-da-dum-bum, bum, bum. You've tried to play your card again, but it's been one too many times. I gave you a second chance, but by the fifth it was a crime. And it was partially my fault for thinking that you'd actually care. I guess I wanted to believe that maybe love was in the air. But now I know that I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry, I'm not that sorry. 'Cause you kinda treated me like shit. Tried to cheat with some other girl. How is that supposed to make me feel? But I hope you know that I wish the best for you. I know deep down you're a good guy, but I was so tired of all the lies. Maybe one day you'll figure it out, oh, but don't come crawling back, because this time I won't crack. 'Cause I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry, I'm not that sorry. 'Cause you honestly treated me like shit. And I hope you feel sorry, hope you feel kinda sorry.